Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Lunar Landing knot in honor of the moon landing for the anniversary of that. So let's go ahead and get started. My left side's at the belt line as usual. I'm just going to come over here and I'm just going to put in a dimple of any kind, doesn't matter. Bring over the skinny end and then come up and over like this. And then I'm going to leave it like this. But what I'm then going to do is I'm going to spread it out like this and then open it up like that. So then I'm going to get my skinny end over here. I'm going to have it folded in half, come underneath it, and then we're going to go up and through this hole right there that we have and bring the whole thing through. So that's what we have right now. So then I'm going to come back up like this and have that right there. This is what we have so far. Then we're going to come underneath it, fold it in half, just going straight underneath it like that, and then we're going to go down. This is what we have so far. And then I'm going to keep it folded in half and I'm going to push it through this right here. You just want it to go like this. I just pushed it through. It was easier for me that way, but you don't have to do it exactly like that. And then I'm going to come back over here, fold it in half, and I'm going to go back down underneath there like this. And I like it to kind of look more like that. So that's what I got right there. You kind of see it looks like the moon. And it just kind of has a cool lunar vibe to it with the color of the tie. So again, own your summer friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch out this picture on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials with all the other tie knots. Peace and God bless. We'll catch you in the next video.